Hey everyone, I'm Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com and welcome to the first episode, or the pilot if you will, of Setup Showdown. This is a new series that we kind of took influence from a couple of other YouTubers out there of showing your systems on our channel. Now, if you want to actually be a part of this, we did ask people on our social media channels to send in pictures and obviously specs of their system. So if you want to be part of the next episodes, then be sure to check out the link in the description below. But for now, let's check out them glorious systems. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and it gave you maybe some influence yourself of what you want your system to look like. Maybe there's something you can take away by seeing some of these glorious builds that we've actually seen. If you want to be a part of it, remember, click on the link in the description below, and who knows, you might be in the next episode of Setup Showdown. And also let us know in the comments section if this is the sort of video that you like us doing. If it is, then obviously we will carry on doing it. Until next time, you know what to do, guys. I'll see you in the next one. See you later. Bye-bye.